praises belong to Allah, who is the King of our creation. Respected sir, honorable teacher, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day to all. Pakistan got Independence Day on 14 August 1947. We celebrate this day every year with a great zeal because our freedom has decades of struggle behind. Thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed in their lives to get freedom from a British rule. Dear sir, our independence is not a little thing. It is a blessing and gift of Allah. 14 August is a common day for other nations, but this is the most valuable day for Pakistan nation. Islamic Republic of Pakistan has independence country. Qazi Muhammad Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Today we are living in a free country because of the struggle of ulama ikram.